Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon, and I wanted to present to you this beautiful Apex ultralight trailer by Coachmen. It's a 215 RBK, stands for rear back kitchen, and it's got a lot of surprises. If you're looking for a good couples trailer, I think you should take a look at the inside of this one. You might really love it. People are always telling me, walk around bed, walk around bed. We don't want to have a hard time getting in and out of our bed or making it. Well, if you look right over here, that's what they've been able to give you in this floor plan. You do have privacy. So there is doors, as you can see. There's doors that shut. And lots of great storage in here. Kind of great for a couple's trailer. You got both sides for hanging clothes. There's some storage underneath the bed for shoes, duffel bags, blankets, pillows, whatever you need to just tuck away. And then check out this. You've got a beautiful sofa right in here. It is a jackknife sofa. So you can make a nice little day bed there, curl up, watch TV, and check out this beautiful TV right here. The whole entertainment system, USB charging center down below. Everything you need, great storage, everything you need just to have fun. And what's really great about these is when the doors are shut to the bedroom, the TV spins around. It's dual purpose. You can use the entire thing in your master bedroom. And that's a really neat feature. I think most people would love to have that. Some extra storage. By the way, everything LED lit. This thing is just beautiful when it's all lit up at night. So inside our living area, you can notice above this jackknife sofa, we've got more storage. Hey, look, even comes with a Apex throw. More storage for you, and this one's got the kitchen back here. So you have a nice dinette right here. Look at this big window, so you can enjoy the scenery when you're sitting here eating at the dinette. And you have all of this extra storage space, cabinetry, beautiful drawers on metal slides. We've got a really nice microwave above the hood, above our 3-burner cook stove, and we actually have an oven here as well. So everything's right here for you. Look at all that counter space. It's really nice. Beautiful double sink. It's got a sprayer. Folks, this is a really nice high-end look. So it's really neat because you live in a nice home and you can go camping in style and luxury. I'm going to show you there is pantry space here. You can put a lot of food in this. Nice big fridge and freezer. And check out this bathroom. There's storage space in the bathroom. There's places to hang your towels, glass surround. There's enough space in this bathroom where you can literally get changed and everything that you need to do with privacy in here. Really neat in just a small, short, lightweight trailer. You get all of this room, everything you need. There's a couple things outside that are secrets that I want to show you. They're kind of a little surprise out here. Now you do notice there is going to be a power awning. It's going to extend the living space about another 40%. It'll all be lit up. You do have frameless windows. But check this out. The lid becomes its own awning, and you have this beautiful outdoor kitchen. Got your cook stove, your sink, extra cabinets and drawers. This is just a phenomenal, phenomenal trailer for a couple of people who just want to get out and have a ton of fun camping and have everything with them. And it's lightweight. You know, if you can pull 7,000 pounds, you're golden with this thing. It's really great. So if you got a half-ton truck or something, this is going to be perfect for you. I'd love to show you this unit, and we have many others that are very similar that we can show you as well. So give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.